Timber! Welcome to Martin Hymanson's cab, our Volvo FH from 2016 with 500 horsepower and I-shift dual clutch used for hauling, well, timber. Martin figures that it's good for business to stand out a bit, hence the styling. A customised top rail bar has been added and the truck has had a new exterior paint job which took a month to finish. The chassis has been completely modified to fit this John Sered crane. This was a fairly complex and specific operation, taking 8 weeks to complete. Martin has been in the logging business for 15 years, having started working together with his dad at the age of 18. He loves his job and can't imagine doing anything else. Martin describes his truck in one word: beautiful. It's hard to disagree.